Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can build a compound interest calculator in Excel. So let's get started. First, open a blank Excel sheet. In column A, type your labels: principal amount, annual interest rate, number of years, and compound frequency. In column B, enter your input values. Now, below that in cell A6, type future value, and in B6 we will use the formula equals B1 open bracket 1 plus B2 divided by B4 close bracket raised to the power of open bracket B4 multiplied by B3 close bracket. Here, B1 is principal, B2 is interest rate, B3 is years, and B4 is compounds per year. Press enter, and Excel will show your compound amount automatically. You can also format your result as currency for a cleaner look. To make it interactive, go to Insert, choose Form Controls, and add sliders or input boxes for each variable. This way, users can change values and instantly see updated results. And that's it. Now you know how to create your own compound interest calculator in Excel step by step. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.